What does? What'd you say?
I said, looks like Joe's blue car.
Joe's blue car?
No, it's my blue car, but it looks like Joe's car.
Oh, I didn't know that Joe had a blue car. Does Joe have a blue car?
No, he has to go buy one. He has to go buy your blue car.
Oh.
He has to go buy one.
Oh, okay.
He just gotta go buy one for Joe. Yeah, but this one is mine. And the other blue truck is Joe's. Yeah, but first you gotta buy it for him. Yeah, but he can't buy it all by himself. But you can buy it all by ourselves. Yeah. And we'll get on a car. Yeah, we'll go buy a blue car for Joe. And we'll see if there's another blue car for Joe. And we'll open it, and it's a big blue truck for Joe at the guide.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Oh, stop.
Okay, I'll fix it.